Now we are going to calculate pH value for acid. They given number 1, question number 1, 0.01 molar. Molar means nothing but concentration. Molar. M means M is equals to concentration. This is also called as molarity. This is also called as a molarity, which we are indicating with capital M. The formula of capital M is equals to N by V. Why I am explaining this one? Based on this also they asked some problems. So we are going to discuss that one also. M is equals to N by V. N means a number of moles by volume of solution. Volume of solution in liters. That is molarity. So concentration they given, HCl concentration they given as 0.1 molar and H2SO4 0.01 and NaOH. For each problem we need to calculate pH. What is a pH formula? pH is equals to minus logarithm of concentration of H plus ion base 10. Base 1 to 10 values I have given here itself, or otherwise in your examination they will give the whatever you want, that value they will give. If you want, if in your question you need log 5 value, they will give log 5 value in question itself. No need to remember this one. So first problem, pH of concentrated HCl. HCl means we know that H plus ion and Cl minus ion. So this concentration, HCl concentration they given 0.1 molar means nothing but H plus ions concentration also same only. So from this H plus in brackets, square brackets, if I used nothing but concentration of H plus ion, concentration of H plus ion, that is the meaning if I used the square brackets. No need to write always this one. So concentration of H plus ion is equals to 0.1 only. 0.1 for our convenience we can write as 10 power minus 1. If we are substituted in place of concentrated H plus ion this one, what we will get? pH is equals to minus log 10 power minus 1 base 10. 10 power minus 1 base 10. In our logarithms, whatever is there in power, it will come to the front. So 1 log minus of minus plus 1 log 10 base 10. Then pH is equals to 1. pH is equals to 1. So that is the answer for first question. First question, pH is equals to 1. Understand? I am going to rub and do the second problem. 0.01 molar H2SO4. H2SO4. In this, concentration is equals to 10 power minus 2. Can we write like that? So, from this, 2 H plus ions will be released. We know that. 2 H plus. So, H plus ions concentration is equals to 2 into 10 power minus 2. How many H plus ions are there? We need to multiply with that number. Now, pH is equals to minus log concentrated H plus ion base 10. Substitute in place of this one. So, minus log 2 into 10 power minus 2 base 10. We have one formula, log of A into B is equals to log A plus log B. By using this formula, minus log 2 base 10, log 2 base 10 plus minus of minus 10 power minus 2 base 10. 10 power minus 2 base 10. Now, this minus 2 coming to here. So, minus log 2 base 10 as usual, minus of minus plus, already plus into plus plus 2. Log 2 base 10 value. Then 2 minus 0.3010, we will get 1.69. pH value is equals to 1.69. pH is equals to 1.69. Is it clear? Third problem, pH of 0.01 molar NaOH. We know that NaOH is a base, but pH is concentration of H plus ion. Are there any H plus ions in NaOH? No. So, for base, for acid, we are writing pH as minus log concentration of H plus ion base 10. Like that, for base also it is there POH. POH is equals to minus log concentration of OH minus ion base 10. What is the relation between pH and POH? They have one equation, pH plus POH is equals to 14. So, if you find out the POH, you can calculate pH. If you find out the pH, you can calculate the POH. Now, here concentration of OH minus ion is there, so that you can calculate first pH. After that, you need to find out the pH. So, from this concentration they given as OH minus ion concentration, here only one OH is there. So, OH minus ion concentration is there 0.01 molar, means 10 power minus 2 1 molarity. So, POH is equals to minus log 10 power minus 2 base 10, means POH is equals to 2. POH is equals to 2. From this, pH is equals to 14 minus POH is equals to 14 minus 2 equal to 12. pH, if pH in pH scale 0 to 7 is acid, 7 to 14. So, pH is 12 means nothing but is it base only, no? So, for base, pH is 12. Like this way, we need to calculate the pH and POH. I hope you people are understand. Here, we need to calculate how many moles of HCl, here HCl present in 730 grams. So, no problem. Here I given now. How many moles are present in 730 grams of HCl? Molecular weight of HCl they given as a 36.5 and options they given. Number of moles formula. What is the number of moles formula? Number of moles is equals to given weight by molecular weight. Given weight by molecular weight of the substance. Given weight is equals to 730 grams by 730 by molecular weight is equals to 36.5. 36.5. So, 36.5 2s are 73. So, 20. 20 number of moles. So, molecular weight number of moles formed is very important. And come to this one. If 5.3 grams of Na2CO3 dissolved in 500 ml, what we need to calculate? We need to calculate concentration of solution. Concentration of solution. Concentration of solution. I already given the concentration formula. Concentration is equals to, we are calling as molarity. Molarity formula is equals to N by V. N means the number of moles per volume. Per volume. In liters. If they given in ml, we need to convert into liters. Okay. Number of moles we need to calculate. Number of moles is equals to N. We are indicating with N. 5.3 by molecular weight, given weight by molecular weight. Given weight by molecular weight is equals to 5.3 by 106. 5.3 by 106. Let it be, no problem. And if you take volume, volume is equals to volume. Next, volume is equals to 500 ml. 500 ml means you need to convert into 500 into 10 power minus 3 liters. 10 power minus 3 liters, or otherwise 1000 by 100. 1000 by this we can write as 1000 by 500 also you can write. 1000 by 500 means into 2. So volume is equals to 2 liters. Volume is equals to 2 liters. Molarity is equals to N by V. N is equals to 5.3106 by volume is equals to 500 ml. 500 ml. This one N by V. Molarity is equals to N by V. If volume it is in liters. If volume they given in ml, N into 1000 by V. This is the formula. Means now N value 5.3106 N value into 1000 by V means 500. So this we can write as 253 0.1. Molarity is equals to 0.1. The concentration of a solution is equals to 0.1. Are you understand? If they given the volume, we need to convert. If they given the liters, we need to use this formula. If they given in ml, we need to convert into liters. So we are multiplying with 1000 in numerator. This is the formula for molarity. Based on this, they may ask the question to find out the concentration, because in previous problem they given the concentration. For example, in previous problem, one problem they asked by giving the 0.1 molar concentration HCl, then they asked to find out the pH. But in some cases, by giving all this data to find the concentration U itself and find the pH. By giving all this data and find the pH of solution, what you need to do? First you need to find out the molarity, then only you need to use this formula. By substituting you have to get the answer. That is the process. Like that one problem we will see. Okay. Find out the pH of resultant solution when 4 grams of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter of water. Here they asked to find out the pH, but they are not at all given molarity and a concentration of the solution. So for this, first we need to calculate the concentration of the solution. What is the formula? M is equals to N by V. N by V or N into 1000 by V, because here it is in liters, so N by V you can use. What is N value? N is equals to given weight by molecular weight. Given weight is equals to 4 grams. Molecular weight of NaOH is equals to, calculate NaOH molecular weight is equals to atomic weight of Na 23. How many atoms are there? 1. Plus atomic weight of oxygen 16. How many atoms? 1 atom. So into 1. Hydrogen 1. Number of atoms 1. Total is equals to 40. So 4 by 40 means 1 by 10. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is equals to, you can write as, for our convenience, 10 power minus 1. So molarity is equals to 10 power minus 1 by 1. By 1 means not a problem. So 10 power minus 1. This is the concentration. So 10 power minus 1 is the concentration of a solution NaOH. A solution NaOH. NaOH means it is a base. You cannot find out pH directly without finding the pOH. So pOH is equals to minus log concentration of OH minus ion base 10. is equals to minus log 10 power minus 1 base 10 is equals to plus 1 is equal to 1. POH is equals to 1. Then what is the formula for pH? pH, we have one formula. What is that? pH plus POH is equals to 14. From this formula, pH is equals to 14 minus POH is equals to 14 minus 1 is equals to 13. This is the pH of the solution. pH of a solution. So what we have done? They asked to find out the pH by giving the data for the resultant solution. For this solution, they are not at all given the molarity, means concentration they are not given. So first we need to find out the concentration. Concentration formula N by V, that is molarity. N means given weight by molecular weight. They given 4 grams of NaOH solution in 1 liter of solution. Number of moles 4 by 40. What is this 40? Molecular weight of NaOH. So we will get as a 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1. This is a number of moles. Number of moles by volume. Volume is equals to obviously by 1. So molarity is a 10 power minus 1 NaOH. This okay. So from this pH, if you want to calculate, it is a base. We cannot calculate the pH directly. First we have calculated POH by substituting 10 power minus 1 here. We are getting POH as 1. By substituting in this formula, we will get pH as 13. This is the way to find out if they are giving the data to calculate the molarity. And come to the another problem. The molarity of 200 ml of HCl is this one. And find out the amount of water, means volume of water we need to find out to be added to convert 0.01 molarity. Means here 2 molarities they given. This is M1 you can take. This is M2 you can take. So 2 molarities they have given. So we are comparing the molarities. Then the formula would be M1V1 is equals to M2V2. This is the formula we need to use to compare 2 solutions, either acids or bases or another any solutions. To compare 2 solutions, we need to use this formula M1V1 equal to M2V2. Now M1 means molarity of first solution, V1 means volume of the first solution, means this is V1. M2 means molarity of second solution. V2 means what we need to calculate, V2. This is V2. So V2 is equals to now M1V1 by M2. M1V1 by M2. What is M1 value? M1 equal to 0.15 into V1 is equals to 200 divided by M2 is equals to 0.01. 0.01. So this 0.01 here, point after 2 digits are there. Here point after 2 digits are there. We can cancel that. So we will get 15 into 200 ml. 200 ml. That is equals to 33,000 ml. The way to calculate the volume of the solution by giving 2 molarities. Of course, they may ask one more question from this by giving molarity of one solution, volume of another solution, volume of another solution. They may ask to find out the molarity of another solution also. Different types of questions they can frame it. Understand? Next, find out the pH of M by 15. NaOH. M by 15. What is meant by M by 15? Molarity is equals to molarity equal to 1 by 50. What is meant by 1 by 50? 1 by 5 into 10 power minus 1 means 0.2 into 10 power minus 1 is equals to 2 into 10 power minus 2. This is the molarity of NaOH solution. Hereafter we know how to do this one. pH, we cannot find out for base directly. So POH is equals to minus log 2 into 10 power minus 2. 2 into 10 power minus 2. So minus log 2 plus 2. Minus log 2 plus 2. From this, pH is equals to, what is a pH? 14 minus POH. 14 minus POH. From this, 14 minus of minus log 2 plus 2. Minus log 2 plus 2. This is the POH formula for this. After that, which of the following is basic in nature? NaOH is a salt, so neutral salt. So NaCl is a neutral salt, there is no any basic character. And NaOH is which release the OH minus ion, that is basic in nature. If you take HCl, it is acidic in nature. H2SO4, it is acidic in nature. So the answer is NaOH.